Hi, welcome to Unit 3. In this unit, we're going to study the problem of the firm. In a nutshell, we're going to do what we did for the consumer, but for the firm, by putting to use all of the tools that we developed in the first unit. We're going to do very equivalent concepts. What is the problem of the firm? How do firms determine how much to supply? How do we measure the well-being of firms and changes in well-being as a function of policies? That's going to be called consumer producer surplus. You're going to see a very close analogy between the problem of the consumer and the problem of the producer. Let me make two other remarks about the big picture of where we are in the course. For the first three units, including this one, we have been developing the basic tools that we need to really do a systematic attack to the problem of markets, whether they generate good allocations or not, under what conditions, the ability to predict what kind of allocations will generate, etc. Unit 1 develops some mathematical tools that we're going to need to solve these models. I hope you are already seeing how those tools work out and what an important concept they play in building intuition. Unit 2 develop in detail the model of the consumer, which is one of the key building blocks in our theory of markets. This unit is going to build the tools about the firm and the behavior of the firms that we need to, again, put together our model of markets. And in Unit 4, everything will finally come together, and we will be able to ask fundamental questions about the performance of markets. Remark number 2. I want you to keep in mind during this unit as much as possible the parallels between the problem of the consumer and the problem of the firm. There are many analogies. The problems are different, but there are many analogies between the two problems, and keeping them in mind is very useful, both for developing understanding and for reducing your memory load. So I will be emphasizing those throughout, but watch for them. And now, without more preamble, let's look at the problem of the firm.